If you have Vivo V50 5G smartphone and you want to add your fingerprint lock, then this is the video for you. For that, open your settings, scroll down and then select security and privacy. Select device unlocking and then select fingerprint. Now firstly you have to set your screen lock, but if you have already done this then you can skip this part. Otherwise select pattern, pin or password. Here I'm selecting pattern. Draw your pattern, click on next and then confirm your pattern. Click on OK. Wait for a few seconds. Now it will ask you how you want to show your notification on your locked screen. Here I'm selecting never show and then click on done. Click on start enrollment. Click on agree and then place your thumb or finger, whatever you want to add, on the sensor like this. And now keep on tapping on the sensor so that it can completely capture your finger. You have to adjust your finger like this. After this, click on done. Now you can easily unlock your smartphone with the help of your fingerprint in this smartphone.